Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I want to share with you guys the reason why I have that so much confidence to trade any prop firm account, because I know definitely I'm going to pass that prop firm account. As a matter of fact, I just recently got a 200k account. Let me pull it up so that you guys can see it right here on my screen. You can see this email was sent to me 12 August 2024. The date is here right here, and this is a 200k evaluation account. Now there's nobody that is a superstar trader. All the profitable traders we have are people that are disciplined to following certain rules. Now, in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys my risk management approach. The reason why I can approach any account size. You can see this is a 200k account. This is the highest account size this prop firm is offering. And the reason why I got this account is because I want to hit my goal this year, because I already make up my mind. This year, I want to hit more than $1 million US in prop firm funding account. So this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I'm able to get all these successes on prop firm trading, because it all boils down to risk management. So let's get started on the chart. The way I want to teach you guys is different from what you guys are used to. Okay, so let's get started on the chart. Now, two things I'll be talking about in this video. That's why I said my video is definitely different from other mentors' video, because I am teaching you guys from my experience. This is what I am doing. I'm not one of those people that will go and make research about something and come back and teach you guys. No, this is what I'm doing. Like, from my experience, this is what I'm doing that is working for me. That's what I'm sharing with you guys. Practice it and start using it. Okay, so this video I'll break it down into two categories. Okay, we are going to talk about the risk, we are going to talk about the target. Now, this risk is different from the usual normal risk management you guys are used to. Now, the reason why I want us to first start with this risk is because, just like I showed you guys that $200,000 account, we are starting with 0.5% on that account. Okay, let me say I am starting. Of course, I'm starting that. I've not started trading on the account. I don't want to trade this PPI and CPI tomorrow. So I'll be resuming that account on Thursday this week. I will trade it Thursday and Friday. Okay, but the risk I'm engaging it is 0.5%. Now, there's a reason why I want to engage with 0.5%. I like to work with the way I trade, like the way my trading strategy is built. Okay, which is definitely going to say apply to your own trading strategy. Now, you see this account size $200,000, right? Like as I said, we are starting from the risk. So 0.5% of $200,000 is definitely $1,000. Okay, but the way I want to engage it mentally, that's why I said this thing has so much to do with psychology and trading discipline, not necessarily about risk management. You know, those risk management you guys see online. Okay, the way I want to do it mentally, from my psychology, I want to attempt this account like for 1 month in terms of the losing part. Okay, let's say I want to lose every trading day of this account. Okay, I'm going to attempt it for 1 month. So if I am losing every day, like today, maybe today a loss, tomorrow a loss. However, if it's going to take me 16 days before I'm going to lose this account. Okay, that's why I said follow everything I want to show you guys step by step, because I don't want you guys to start falling victim of daily drawdown limit or start losing accounts. No. I want you guys to trade professionally, like a smart money trader that you are. Okay, so I am giving this account like 1 month of attempt, 1 month of engagement in terms of the losing part. Remember, I have not talked about the reward. I told you guys I'm splitting this video into the risk and the targets. Okay, so I'm just focusing on the risk. Let's say anything can happen. Maybe the market didn't play out where you are just taking the loss. So we are going to hold this account 1 month as long as possible. That's why we are starting with 0.5%. So the first day you take this trade, you take a loss, you are going to lose $1,000, and then you keep losing it like that until you get to, of course, this prop firm is 8% drawdown. Some prop firm are 10% drawdown. Okay, until you get to $16,000. If it's some of this prop firm that is 10%, you got to get to $20,000. Now, what that actually means is if you take a loss consistently, like every day back to back for the next 20 days, that means you have already traded 20 trading days in the month. Now, you guys know that we have 20 trading days in a month. That's why I told you guys we can hold this account as long as possible for the next 1 month. Now, no matter what, irrespective of your trading strategy, there's no way you're going to be losing every day back to back for the next 1 month. But however, I don't know, it's not possible. It has never been possible for me. Okay, like as I told you guys, this account is going to complete it $1 million US in funding. Okay, I don't know, maybe I should even record this account live when I'm doing it, like, you know, but it's just that the work is too much. That's why I would have been recording it live, like in terms of series, and be uploading it for you guys. I don't know if you guys need that, just comment it on the comment section. Okay, but the way I always do it is this. Okay, in my mind, as I get a new account, I know, okay, 1 month of attempt. Okay, let me attempt it for 1 month. Okay, but usually I'm always on profit when I start my new profit account, unless the market is not in a good condition that period. Okay, so 20 trading days of attempt, that is 1 month. So if you started the first week of this August, all through this August, you'll be attempting it, And guess what? There's no way you are going to trade that 20 days and you'll be losing every day. Okay. So this account is going to stay as long as possible. You can stay more than 1 month, more than 2 months. Of course, these days there's nothing like maximum trading days. Okay. So you can stay more than 1 month, more than 2 months. There are some evaluation accounts I have done in the past, like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, still on the evaluation stage because I am really interested to pass the evaluation account. Okay. Now, regarding the engagement, this is how I do it, guys. Okay. Of course, you guys watching me, most of you that have even attended my webinar, you know that I am a day trader. Okay. And as a day trader, I am interested in the individual direction of the market per day. Okay. So every direction of the market, I'm coming in for the market. Let's say today I am bullish on GBP/JPY or bearish on GBP/JPY. I carry this 0.5% and then attach it to that very day. Okay. Let's say this day. All right. I don't go beyond this 0.5%. There's just something we call mass daily risk, okay, MDR, mass daily risk. That is this 0.5%. Now, the reason why we came up with mass daily risk is because some people, their trading style does not fit into this style I'm teaching you guys. Some people are scalpers, so they can engage like 2, 3, 4 positions in a day. But the way I usually teach my mentorship student is because we have different style of traders there, though most of them are day traders like me, okay? The way I teach them is that if you are a scalper that take like 2, 3, 4, 5 trades a day, we have to split this risk. For example, this 0.5%, we have to split it into those number of times you're going to take position in a day. So if you want to take a position like 3 or 4 times, so you're going to split it like maybe 0.1% each position, all right? And at the end, we are going to accumulate it to have that MDR or mass daily risk, okay? The goal is that we don't exceed that mass daily risk on each day attempt. For example, this day, this day, this day, this day. That is the goal, guys. We don't want to exceed that MDR. The reason why I am so much interested in this information I'm giving you guys is because I don't like the way most of you guys are dashing money to these prop firm companies, all right? Because many people get account before you know they vow, especially that daily drawdown limit. Many retail traders fall victim of that daily drawdown limit. I can't remember the last time I had a daily drawdown limit. I think that should be first time when I started prop firm, the year 2021, then maybe early 2022. But since then, there's nothing like violating daily drawdown limit, okay? I'm not saying that I don't take loss. Of course, as a trader, loss is part of the package. You have to hit stop loss. But the stop loss you are hitting shouldn't exceed the plan, okay? And I'm going to tell you guys where many traders fall victim, okay? For example, you can see this kind of price action here, this day here, this kind of trading day that does not have specific direction. That is where many traders fall victim because at this point, oh my goodness, at this point, they don't know the direction of the market. So they go bullish, they go bearish, they keep attempting it, keep pressing the button, keep pressing the button. And once this market has already put into that emotional state, it's very, very difficult for you guys to pull out, okay? That's why I always tell my students, maintain your MDR, mass daily risk, okay? So we keep attaching each daily candle 0.5%, 0.5%, 0.5%, 0.5%, 0.5% continuously, just like that, guys. Now, everything I've been explaining so far is how to hold up to account for as long as possible, okay? Now, the next thing I want to show you guys is how to pass your prop firm as fast as possible. That is this target right here, okay? Because many looking at this, someone is going to think, okay, this target 4% means, okay, I have to frame my setup to be maybe 1:8, because if you are risking 0.5% and you are aiming 4%, that should be 1:8. No. It's not like that, because someone can just come out here and say, okay, instead of, let me just put 1% risk here and then aim 8% here. No. That's not how I want to teach you guys this stuff. The way I want to teach you guys this stuff is this. Remember, I told you guys we are going with 0.5%, okay, per day. All right. Now, the days I want you guys to engage mostly on this profit, because like I told you guys, I have not traded on this 200K today. Probably I'm not going to trade tomorrow. We are interested in fresh reversal in the market like this. This is a secret I'm giving to you guys, okay? It's called high probability setup. High probability setup. How to identify high probability setup is by swing points in the market. I'm going to do a video on swing point. Most of you, if you don't know it, these 3 candles here means swing point. This is swing low. Now, when you see a reversal like this and a high probability setup, there's high chances that the next day or couple of days going to go that direction, which is this bullish. Are you seeing it? Now, it's the same thing occurred here again. Swing high took place here. High probability setup, this reversal. Couple of days went bearish. Okay, the same thing happened again here. All right, swing low, high probability setup, couple of days went bullish. The same thing happened. It's just like that. It keep happening. Swing low, Okay, high probability setup. The next day went, the next couple of days went bullish. So what do we do with this high probability setup? Very, very nice question. This is how we do it, guys. Okay, you see, if the market is already expanding, what I will always advise my students, please hold on for a fresh reversal in the market. It's called high probability setup. The moment there's a fresh reversal in the market, the next day we want to trade, we are going in with 0.5%. But we are not putting a target, like, because normally if you are doing while they show 2, 0.5% should aim 1%. If you are doing while they show 3, 0.5% should aim like 1.5% or 2%. Okay. But we are not doing it that way. You can see how many days of momentum from here to here. This alone can pass your profit account, guys. This alone, this move alone can pass your profit account. Okay, so that is why I always wait for high probability setup in the market. Just like these days, Euro USD has not been giving us good setup in the market. You guys know mostly I trade Euro USD and GBP USD. Okay, if this price action that took place here on this JPY, I would have made so much money more than what I've been making on USD pairs. Okay, trade high probability setup on your profit account instead of be attempting different days of 0.5%, 0.5. You can see if I take one trade here, I can hold it instead of coming the next day, be engaging, because the more you engage, the more you are prone to risk. Okay, that is the secret I want to give to you guys right here. The same thing I share with my students on weekly webinars. Of course, so many people keep asking me that they don't know the information regarding my one-on-one mentorship. Okay, my one-on-one mentorship is still open to anyone that want to enroll. There's a link in the description part of this video that will lead you to my WhatsApp number or my Telegram ID. Just send me a message regarding one-on-one mentorship, and then I will forward you the enrollment details. Okay, once you make the payment, you got to have access to our community, lifetime community, and then again, you can trade with me live every week, guys, back to back. All my trading signals, you got to have it, and then you go to name for me one-on-one direct. Price is still on the discount mode, guys. So take this opportunity, guys, and then trade with me live every week, especially if you have a profit account. Okay, if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn your notification button on. I will see you guys next upload.